Hello aspiring traders, I'm back with one more very interesting video. So today we will discuss how I made almost like 160 percentage return, right, in mid cap expiry trade, right. I'll be like explaining you the entire trade logic, right, with data driven. So guys, don't fast forward the video. It will not take more than 5 or 10 minutes. Try to understand the trade logic, right? Everything is free, right? Just try to understand the trade logic. Okay, I'll show you how I made 160% returns, right, with the mid cap expiry trade. All right, so now let me take you to my sensible. Okay, see, this is, if you look at the 2475 profit, I've deployed almost like 1200 or 300, and then we have like almost doubled it out, more than doubled. All right, so now let me show you whether this is my real trade or not. If you look at this thing mid cap, see, let me refresh this page, because I mean, this is what I do. I always show my trades, right? Just try to learn the trade logic, right? If you look at this thing, 948, I've entered into mid cap Nifty, and then almost at 1233, I've exited, guys. My executed price was 13.30. Sorry, what is it? 15.30. I've exited at 48. So technically, I made 33 rupees. 33 points I've captured. 33 into, what is that, 75 is the lot size, so 2475 is the profit. That's where you see 2475. All right, so if you want to see the loss, what capital we have deployed, let me say this, the debit what I have paid into 75 is the lot size, so I've just deployed 1147. So my loss would be 1147 versus a profit of what, double or triple, or I'm okay to take the loss of 1147. Okay, let me show you the logic. Why did I deploy basically a call? Okay, at 9:58, let me again show you, almost at 9:48, what was the reason for me to deploy a CE? Okay, this is my chart, guys. This is the mid cap. All right, check the chart view. Even if I zoom it out, right, this is the day, guys. This is the day, 18th December. This was the day. It had a minor gap down, and then the market came down, right? It had its own structure. I'm just showing you in 5 minutes. Try to understand the trade logic, guys. If you see the naked chart, are you in a position to know whether the stock might go up or down? Though this is expiry day, right? This is expiry day, mid cap expiry day is today. So every Monday we have the expiry of mid cap Nifty. Now let me show you one thing, guys. Now let me show you the one thing. I'll deploy the price action. You might be wondering, how did you get to know the price will end here, the price will react here, the price will react here? I'll show you one thing, guys. Right, this is where, see, when did I entered? I entered almost like 948 something here I've entered. So let me show you the right. This is how the market was, the chart was looking for me. Now, don't you think this acted as a strong support? Support 1, support 2, third time. See, check the multiple candles getting rejected at this support level. I've just created this support level, guys. That's it. Check this multiple candle, and then the moment the market had a gap down and it went up, check the support, the same support line. I've just dragged the dynamic line. Now this is taking the support. I've not entered here. Ideally I should have entered here, but I was not at this machine. I could have entered here, guys. Honestly, I'm telling, I could have entered here at almost like 920, but I was not at the machine. I was doing some other work, and then maybe this is where I've reacted. That's it. This is where I've reacted. 948 somewhere here. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. What was it? 948. Right. This was not a rocket science, right? This was not even a rocket science. Maybe I might have entered here with a stop loss of this support, right, with a profit of this resistance. Now you might be wondering, what is this resistance line? Check this, guys. Resistance 1. Check the wick. It took resistance from zone. I draw these zones, guys, not these straight lines. Straight lines will never work unless and until you draw these zones. That's the reason I'm telling, don't skip the video, don't fast forward. Try to understand. It took this resistance from this resistance box. It took the support from almost the upper range of this resistance, and finally the same thing, 4 levels, 1, 2, 3, finally fourth one. Check the wick, guys. Check the wick. And now my entry was here, my stop loss was this thing, my exit was this thing. But now let me show you one more thing. I'm not trying to promote this tool, but this is how the tool helps. What did I say? With data driven. This is concept, guys. 1 minute, right? Check this, right? Let me show you 18th December, right? So maybe somewhere here 18th December. See, if you let me zoom this out, right? I'll just show you only today's market. Keep an eye on this buyer initiated quantity, seller initiated quantity. Guys, I'm not promoting this tool, though I'm a partner with this tool. Try to understand the trade logic. Just in case if you feel this helps, you can go for this tool. I can give you huge discount, guys. On top of what the concept tool is providing you the discount, I can give you additional discount also. Now check this, right? 18th December when the market opened, check the green. See, if I over my mouse here, check this, guys. Check this, right? Buyer initiated. This is the orders which got initiated on the exchange. This is not the volume bar. This is not the limit order. This is not the IOC order. This is not the, what do we say? I mean, there are like other orders, right? This is the orders which got executed on exchange. Guys, I repeat, these are the executed buyer initiated quantity order executed on exchange. This gives you tick by tick data. See, now I cannot explain you all the tool. Some of the time I'll make you another video. Now check this at 9:30. If you look at the buyer initiated order, check it here. There was huge 4,950 quantity. So I would not say huge, but checking at the seller initiated quantity, that was zero, but buyers were showing some aggressiveness. Right now, looking at this data, I've not entered it here. This was 9:20, 9:30. Maybe somewhere I might have entered at 9:40, right? See, at 9:52, right? Maybe I might have entered it here, guys. Right? I took the support of this tool, and also I took the support of this price action. Okay, either it might go up or it might come down. If it comes down, I'll accept this stop loss. Let me take you to this tool. So now what did I say? I've exited the trade. I've exited the trade at almost 12:33. So keep an eye, guys. Whenever I see this tower, right, the green is huge. 950, still the buyers are aggressive. Check the quantity, buyer initiated quantity. Even if you look at this, right, unless and until I see the seller initiated order getting increased, I'll not exit from the trade. Right? I'm taking the help of this price action. Also, I'm taking the help of this tool. Right? This is the way you have to combine. Right? I'll try to make more videos as such. This is my real trade, guys. This is my real trade. So I do not add any panic here. I could not think about exiting from this trade. Even the red color is high. Even here 1007 575 quantity somewhere. And here, if you look at this thing, right, there is a small tower red candle. I mean red side, wherein 2100, right, seller initiated order got executed. This is the order book. So I was skeptical, right? 11 10, right? Let me show you, right? 11:10, what happened? Where are we? 11:10, right? Somewhere here, guys, right? Somewhere here, 11:10, right? But still, what I thought is like, see, check there is a consolidation zone, guys. There is a consolidation zone. Okay, there is a consolidation zone. So I was just literally looking. So I entered it here. All right, it had a rally. It was consolidating. It was consolidating. So I was just waiting. See, this is making higher highs. This is how the price action will help. The moment it has breached here, let me again tell you, the moment this has breached the consolidation phase, I thought this green candle might break. But I meant to say is like this resistance might be breached. That's what I thought. So if this resistance get breached, do I need to exit this trade? No, I can just trail my stop loss to this area. I've not trailed, basically I've not trailed the stop loss because this was my expiry trade. The moment I saw this green color candle, okay, let me delete all these things. Try to understand the trade logic, guys. Try to understand the trade logic. The moment market was something like this, right? Now we all know market came down. See, making video after market hour is easy, but I'm showing you live trade. Again, let me show you. This is my live trade. I bought it at 15:30. I've exited at what? I've exited at 48.30. So I made 33 points, 33 into 75 profit. If I would have not booked the trade, then my intrinsic value would have been 220. So I could have made only 5 points profit. See? Not even 5 points. So my goodness, right? Yeah. So last trade, sir, I would have lost this. Now I'm showing you everything live. Now let me go to this one. Right? When the market was standing somewhere here, I thought this will make a follow-up green candle. But check the wicks, guys, check the wicks, and where from where this started showing the sellers were aggressive here. So meaning people who went long here, people who went long here, people who went long here, that just trying to book their profit. In the process of booking the profit, the buyers will convert it to sellers. They're booking their profit. So that's the reason the market might come down. I saw this wick. Check the wick, guys. The moment it made a wick, this was a resistance, second resistance, third resistance, fourth candle, fifth candle. As I thought, the moment I saw this wick on the top, I thought maybe people are doing either profit booking or stock might come down. And I went here, right? What was first time? 12:15, right? Check what happened at 12:15, right? 12:15. 1 second, guys. 12:15 somewhere, right? Somewhere here, right? I saw this red candles, red candles. I mean to say red in the sense, right? There were like more seller initiated order, and then I've made up my mind because almost I got right 2,475 profit, which is like almost like 160%. Let me show you what capital deployed did I deployed 1,147. So now let me 1,147, right? Let me show you this divided by 1,147, right? If I'm not wrong, into, sorry, see, this is what I do, right? Profit divided by 1,400 something, right, into 100, almost 176%, maybe 160% to be like more precise. This is my real trade. I took the help of the data, and then since from then, check, guys. So there is a drastic, what do we say, the sellers initiated order. Check this, right? There was like 11,000 something, right? It made a red color. I could have deployed a bearish trade, but I met my target. I have deployed only 1,147 or 1,200. I got almost like 160%. So the best way is exit your trade. That's what reason, right? I've exited the trade almost at 12:33 and I'm done. See, I could have taken the trade. I could have taken. See, now what happened? Slowly the market came down. So slowly the market came down. So maybe somewhere here I might have exited my trade. Where was that? 12:40. Somewhere here. The moment I saw there was a great resistance. The moment I saw these two red candles, this can be a pullback. I mean, I do not see this red candle because see, check this, right? One green candle and sorry, one red candle, the second red candle, right? These two green candles could not breach the, right, the two green candles could not breach this single red candle also. So this is a pullback. That's it. I might have entered at 12:40 or 12:40 somewhere, right, between this time, and then I've captured that momentum. And now let me show you, right? So then the market came down, right? It had a pullback, came down, pullback. Finally, where did it close, guys? This is the magic of price action. Where did it close? Right, check the support 1, support 2, support 3, support 4. Finally it has closed it. Now tomorrow, don't you think I can just continue this trade based on where the market opens? That's the reason I'm telling you guys, you need to have the support resistance line. Don't believe or don't do the outdated like using the same horizontal support and resistance. So you have to draw this trend line. Now let me show you, right? Don't you think this would have made your journey easy, guys? This is in the 5 minute candle. Buy here, sell it here, buy here, sell it here, buy it here, sell it here. If you have this trend line and also the support of the Quantap tool, right, this will tell you where exactly, at what strike and at what time the buyers are very aggressive. These are all real data, guys. If you look at this thing, check what happened all of a sudden, right? Check it here. 23,325 orders got executed by whom? Sellers. And check the buyers were executing only 300. That clearly shows the market has fell down, right? Even here, right, from at exactly at 14:59, right, you see a huge red color where the seller orders got initiated, and then the market fell like anything. I would say not fell like anything, but at least if you could have done some sort of expiry trade, this is how you could have got the profit. Alright, guys, so this is the reason I said Mid cap nifty, expiry trade logic, 160% return with data driven, right? With price action, right? Just in case if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. And also one more thing, guys, I mean, please join my Telegram channel, so wherein I'll be like discussing all these trades with you. This is a trade what I've shared with my Telegram participants. So today I've closed this position with almost like 160%. And other than this, we keep on discussing about multiple things, guys, right? The chart pattern, chart analysis, beat options, beat swing trading, beat intraday swing trading. Just try to join. This is free, right? You'll find the description in the below video, right? If you feel that this video makes some sense, right, just give it a thumbs up. If you want to, you can share with your friends. And if someone is not subscribed my channel, you can just subscribe my channel. All right, thank you.